Welcome! If you're looking to give your Facebook experience a fresh new look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Dark mode isn't just stylish, it's easier on your eyes and can even help save a bit of battery life if you're using a laptop. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you have access to all your settings. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you click it, a new set of options will appear. Go ahead and select Settings. Now that you're in the main settings area, look for the section labeled Dark Mode. It's usually easy to spot, but if you don't see it right away, scroll down a bit until you find it. Click on Dark Mode. Here you'll see a few choices: on, off, and sometimes use system settings. To enable dark mode, simply choose On. As soon as you select On, your Facebook app will instantly switch to a sleek, dark theme. The background turns dark, and the text becomes light, making it much more comfortable to browse, especially at night or in low-light environments. That's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your Facebook app for PC. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and choose Off instead. Enjoy your new look and the added comfort for your eyes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.